Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and I hope you had a fabulous weekend and a blessed one. Guys, I'm sorry I missed the Friday video because I am going through some patches, but I think maybe in August I'll come back properly in August. For now, it will be here and there. If I made it, happy, and then if I didn't make it, please bear with me. You can go watch my old videos if you haven't and enjoy. So welcome to today's video and let's enjoy as I'm starting my day with a soup because it is winter.
Darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been.
I really don't like missing any upload at all, but life happens. Most importantly, the first video of the month and the last video of the month, I really don't want to miss it because I cannot replace them anyhow. But if I miss the ones in the middle of the month, I can still replace them on a Sunday. Guys, you know I sometimes dash in a video on a Sunday. So if I miss a video during the month, any day during the month, I can still replace that because I do really want to upload certain number of videos. Normal videos are 8 normal number, and if the month is longer there are 9. So I would really love to at least upload 8 videos or 9. If life happens, let it be 6 or 7. So I don't like missing the first day of the month and the last day of the month, as I will not be able to replace them anyhow, because I believe the first video of the month, I mean, it opens up, it makes life easy, it opens up the month, and the last video, it closes off the month. If I miss all these ones in between, I can choose any day and upload to achieve the number of uploads that I have to achieve in that month. So guys, with YouTube, it's no work no pay. We work, we get paid. You don't upload, you don't get any money. That's how it rolls here. So it's your business to make money rolling by uploading. That is why I am so determined to have that very first upload of the month. It pushes me on an honest fact.
Oh, where do you go? Your head in the real world is snow. Oh, I know how you hate the cold. Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Afraid to leave, afraid to leave.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth. If you just joined me, I do homemaking videos and everything at home mostly. Yeah, let's have a this thing. I bought a crochet the other time and I told you I don't know when to start with crocheting. It's a 4mm one. I used to crochet back then, plastic mats. So I stopped because I was lazy. So I think I'm growing back into my thing. I bought this wool in the language of crochet. crocheting. This is yarn, they call it yarn. Ke rekile ko Checkers ka 130. There are five in numbers. So I'm gonna start developing this skill of crocheting. Maybe I can make it into a business sometimes, but I thought if I have this kind of a skill, it can help me in future with other things. I don't know. And yeah, I do know how to crochet. We were taught in primary school the handwork. So now I know the single crochet, the double crochet, the go-go stitches, where you stitch 3 times in one hole, then you jump, you stitch 3 times in one hole, so and so and so on, and so on and so on and so on. Now I'm going to attempt to make a cardigan. I think it's a simple one. I have a measuring tape. I bought it from Pep with those needles and threads. It's gonna be panels, the 2 front panels, back panel, and sleeves. They're just gonna be straight. It's a beginner thing. I'm gonna start with it. I'll show you. It's gonna be a journey. So I'll start with a simpler stitches, then decorating. I'll have to visit my university, which is YouTube has a lot of tutorials, so maybe I can take few hours or maybe take lessons, guys. I'm developing a passion at this moment, so I'm gonna take it serious and I'll let you know. So I'll start, but firstly I'll start measuring myself. And yeah, take crocheting. It can be tiring doing one thing for a long time, but I'm gonna give it a try. So hope you are gonna enjoy this video. I'm cooking at this moment and I'm running out of time. I need to go somewhere, so yeah, I don't know what kind of a color is this one, but I loved it and I believe it will finish whatever I want to do. So it's a double cheek. The name of the thing is cheek double knit, and yes, you can use a 4mm crochet. 4mm for us, I agree Iagadi country, but you can, for the knittings, those ones that are very long, you can use 3.75 to 4.5 millimeters. But this kind of a yarn is being used by a 4mm crochet. That's why I bought 4mm. And as and when I grow into this, and I will start buying different kinds of sizes, and yeah, maybe my Instagram could turn into this business. Yeah, let me think about it, guys. Imagine 130. If I make you a beautiful jersey, and then this is 130, maybe your size, I can use 4 wools, and then how much will I sell it for? 500. I get a custom made 5 to 800. 5 to 800, guys. It will be something that is unique. You won't find it in the shop, that's for sure. So 130, I get to cash up 3 something. Yeah.
Find yourself knowing lost and looking for so grabbing for what you can. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. That's the thing we're searching for. It's just waiting back. And you've done your walking, probably enough for 2. Oh, often you've had but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know every time you come around, every time you return, I see it in your tired eyes. That you still have more to do.
Can't be anything like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be. It can't.
Would it be inconvenient?
Terribly. Anyway, I'm doing it. Oh my God.
Right into our hearts.
Music.
It does, doesn't it? Turns fires.
This night tips are melting away. What is it if I got you to play something? You just out of the pool and just over the lawn and in the bedroom. It'll be lovely, you know.
A moment.
Put me in your
Oh,
pocket.
sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for your soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. 'Cause the thing you're searching for is waiting back home. I stay waiting for you. When my brother sleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. So I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Aber zum Glück kann ich etwas von rein, aber was bei der.
I need someone to hold my mind.
Just when I thought they say salt prevent eggs from cracking when boiling, but then what is this? I'm not sure if this thing of salt in boiling water works, but I just used this method and it cracked. I felt like eating boiled eggs. Yeah, so that's why I did this. I've just eaten pap, but I feel like eating boiled eggs.
I need someone